Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which is Thursday the 1st of September. We mentioned that it was the first of the month, which can often see fund money coming into the markets. However, because the markets are negative at the moment, we really needed to exercise extreme caution because we had this sort of counterbalance of potential order flow. You've had the natural order flow in the market, which was negative, but you had the potential for some positive order flow because of the fund money. We said if we could see a break of support at 72.23 to 72.31 and gain acceptance, we could see moves towards 71.74 to 71.82. So let's go and have a look at the FTSE today. Right, so as you can see, and if you just go scroll out here, we got the open, we've got this really strong impulsive push down, and then we've got the acceptance below here, below that 72.23 to 72.31. We then got a pullback, we got a nice continuation pattern here, and that really solid impulsive push down into that 71.74 to 71.82 area. So really, really nice trade there on the FTSE to target that 71.74 to 82. Got a really nice sort of 2 to 3 to 1 risk, 2.5 to 1 risk to reward on that trade. We then got a little bit choppy around this 71.74 to 71.82. That zone below, which is at 71.50 to 71.60. That zone did hold a support as well, although we didn't mention it in the report. Our only real target was that break below 72.23 to 72.31 to target 71.74 to 82. When we did gain acceptance above, we did get this continuation pattern above here, which was which you could have used to get risk free, but the market was quite choppy and nothing really of high probability there. You can see we've broken down again this afternoon. We've got the push up and we've just got a bit of a reversal pattern here. Again, it's not really something that I'm looking at so late in the day. All I really was looking for was that break below the acceptance and then to target that. So that was the one trade of the day on the FTSE. Now let's go and have a look at the DAX. So on the DAX, we said the same thing about the first of the month and the contradiction in terms of order flow. We said sustained breaks below 12.705 to 12.725 could see moves to 12.615 to 12.635. So let's go and have a look at the DAX today. Okay, so the DAX very similar to the FTSE. We had this this support zone that we got the impulsive push through. We actually got the pullback here. We got a continuation here. Now this was one that we took as well on the DAX. But unfortunately, we actually got stopped out. We had quite a tight stop on this one just behind here. Got stopped out, but we did then get a second continuation pattern here, which actually ended up, we entered and managed to make up the loss because that was the one that actually then targeted back down to that zone below. If you'd managed to have a stop above, a bit of a wider stop from this initial continuation pattern above the zone, you would have stayed in this one. We went for the tight stop, got stopped out, but then re-entered to make up that loss there. So that was the move down into that 12.615 to 635 zone. We did talk about if we saw higher time frame acceptance below that 615 to 635 zone, but you can see it's actually held as support all day as well. We then got the pull back and we got another couple of reversal patterns in here for a nice reversal from the retest of that zone again as well. And that worked out quite nicely. So a couple of really nice trades from the retests of that 705 to 725 zone to target that 615 to 635 zone on the DAX. There's also a long trade here, and a reversal pattern here, but again it's it's counter trend against a trend at the moment, so a little bit dangerous. I think the as you can see probably from the last couple of days, the best trades, the best signals, the ones that are working are the ones that are with the trend. So it's really important that when we're in this sort of really strong trend in action, especially from the higher time frames, even on the lower time frames, we stick with that side of the trend, and you'll get your good risk to reward trades from good trade locations and higher probability trades as well. So two really nice trades on the DAX. One which lost. Two really nice trades which won. One which lost. And on the FTSE, there was also a really nice trade as well. So zone's working well. Sticking with the trend is working well. We'll keep doing the same until we see something in the action that suggests we should be doing something. Otherwise, we'll keep updating these in the report. So if you haven't already, please sign up for the Keyzone service. The link is in the box below on our YouTube channel. Please let me know what you're thinking of these reports. Please let me know if you're benefiting from them. I hope you are, and I hope you find them useful. And I'll speak to you again soon. Cheers.